degree center is Ramar. Here I am going to share what our students have did in matter of 3 to 4 days, that they have created a total house wiring onto a particular board. See, house wiring is a different thing, but here we are learning house wiring with respect to electrical design concepts. With respect to electrical design concepts, there are two standards. One is NEC and one is BD standard. Fine. We are Indians are following the NEC standards. As per NEC standards, lighting circuit and power circuit, these two circuits will be finding at home. So by keeping that in criteria, our students Saeed, Basir and Shakil, they are the MEP engineers of Standard Education Academy, they did this work. So I am about to share this work with you. Firstly, in the first phase, they will show you how they have created lighting circuit. They have created two circuits of lighting and one circuit of power. Fine. Let's see what they did, how they did. Fine. So here, when we are coming on to the circuit board, this is the main control panel with respect to the board given. Here, this is LCP. LCP means lighting circuit panel, and this is the power panel. With lighting circuit panel, we are controlling this total board. This board is having around more than 21 points. So as it is having more than 21 points, we are considering two lighting points, because NEC it says what? 10 points. We should not exceed 10 points for 1 MCB, and the wattage must not exceed more than 800 watts. So keeping that in mind, our students have created this particular board. Let's see the output of it, and I want to share it with Nizamabad district. Fine, let's check it out. So as of now, I am going to open the first MCB. It is in off state right now. Let's see that particular MCB output. Is it going good or not? Okay, is it working good or not? Let's see the circuitry. For LCP1, I am just sitting on the LCP1. Okay, you can see here. I have just turned on LCP1 first lighting circuit. That lighting circuit is having 1, 2, 3, 4 bulbs, sockets. Almost all, it is covering nearly 10 points. Understanding? These particular bulbs are controlled by this switch. It's working properly. This particular is controlled by here in LCP1. One more thing our students did is they created two-way switching. They are showing you through two-way switching concept. What it is, here you can see, I am turning off from here. From there I can even turn on this particular light. Right. I am turning off from here. From here I am turning it on. This concept is called as two-way. If I want to turn on this bulb, I will turn on from here. If I want to turn it off, I can turn it off from here. Turn on, turn off. From two-way concept, this is called as. Which you will be seeing in staircase, or which you can see in bedrooms also. We can open it from one side and we can close it from the other side. Fine. This is clear. Let's see what we are doing. Let's see the socket. Is it working properly or not? Fine. We'll find a charger. If you can, any of you can give me a charger. Okay. Yeah, bring that charger. Give it to me. It's a telephone charger. Let's see if it's charging or not. I'm inserting my charger into the socket. Let's see the output. We are getting it or not. Fine. See, right now my phone is off. It got on. That means it's charging. Okay. So these sockets are working properly of LCP1. Okay. Right now, these particular bulbs are not working because this is of different circuit, lighting circuit. Let's turn it on. Let's see is it working or not. Both the circuits are working. Both the LCPs, LCP1 and LCP2 are working. See, I have indicated over here also LCP1. This is circuit 1 of lighting, right? Then LCP2 from there. You can see that particular thing, LCP2. Okay, fine. Understanding. Next, we will go for power circuits. These two are the power circuits. 15 amp socket, 15 amp socket. Let's check out is it working or not. Fine. We have to give a separate circuit for power. We will find power circuits in kitchen and toilets. Okay. For geyser, for AC, okay. For washing machine, for water heaters, we will go for power circuit. Let's check it out. I am just turning it on. And to experiment that, we are having a cooler over here so that we can insert this particular plug into the socket of 15 amp plate. Okay, let's check out that our cooler is working or not. You can see it's working. So this particular socket is working. You can check it out over here. So by this, it's a complete electrical house wiring which our students Saeed, Basir and Shakil have completed in matter of just 3 days. The total house wiring, they did it. Alhamdulillah for what they did, and expecting lots of duas and prayers from you all. Thanking you all.